Also today at noon, new information on a health alert over a possible Legionnaires outbreak. Right now, state and county health officials are looking into 7 cases at McLaren Macomb Hospital since July, as the president of the nurses union says his patients and employees deserve better. Matt Smith is in Mount Clemens with more on the scare and these growing frustrations.
Well, there's certainly concern from the staff. That's coming directly from the president of the nurses union. This is investigators are now trying to figure out how 7 people got Legionnaires disease, all of them having been inside this hospital.
We're very concerned. We're very upset that we're just finding out from, the media, and there was no transparency with the hospital whatsoever.
The head of the nurses union fed up and not holding back. He's telling 7 Action News that as far back as midsummer, bottled water was brought up to the hospital, signs posted on ice machines warning not to use them. Asked how it's all being handled now.
Very poorly. I feel that when you come to work and when you're a patient at a hospital, you should be in a safe environment, and you're there to get better.
This is concerning because Legionella bacteria can harm the most vulnerable patients. The bacteria is found all over, but becomes concerning in high concentrations. When it gets into the body through airborne water droplets, it can appear like pneumonia. Symptoms include cough, heavy breathing, sometimes even diarrhea, and in severe cases, it can become life-threatening.
There will be enhanced testing of the water system within the hospital to look for evidence of the organism.
So how quickly does that start?
It's already starting.
The health department telling me by phone it's all hands on deck. They began testing on Wednesday. Today, nurses were spotted coming from the hospital with face masks on. Neither cared to comment as to whether it was related. As for the hospital CEO, Tom Briss, he wasn't available for on-camera interviews, but wrote to me in part, quote, "This represents an opportunity and a need for the healthcare community, the Macomb County Health Department, and other key stakeholders to collaborate in order to minimize the health risk to our community. I'm working to find out whether patients are being told, but the union, far from mincing words."
Workers just found out via email last night at 9 o'clock after this was announced in the media.
Now, I know we gave you a couple quick hits on how Legionnaires disease actually starts, but a lot of people are asking more about those symptoms, so we are breaking it down as well as contact information for those of you that are concerned about this, who you can reach out to. It's all online after the show at WXYZ.com. In Mount Clemens, I'm Matthew Smith, 7 Action News.